and welcome to the mathleague YouTube channel. The following video was recorded by one of our staff members live at one of our contests.
We're going to go over problem number 7 from the team round. The problem reads, Rhonda rolled 2 standard dice. She looked at the result and told Samuel that the sum of the numbers shown on the dice was at least 8. With this information, Samuel calculated the probability that at least one of the dice showed a 4. What probability did Samuel calculate? Express your answer as a common fraction. So luckily, 2 standard dice don't have a ton of possible results for us to calculate, so we can go ahead and just count some stuff. So for Rhonda to roll a sum of 8, then she rolled a 2 and a 6, a 3 and a 5, a 4 and a 4, a 5 and a 3, and a 6 and a 2, for a total of 5 possibilities. For 9, we have a 3 and a 6, a 4 and a 5, a 5 and a 4, and a 6 and a 3. 4 possibilities. And so on and so forth. There are going to be 3 possibilities for 10, 2 for 11, and 1 for 12. So total of 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, or 15 possibilities, which is going to be our denominator. And let's see, what possibilities does a 4 offer? Well, there's this 4 and 4 here. There's a 4 and a 5 here, a 5 and a 4 here. And then over here, we get a 4 and a 6 and a 6 and a 4 as 2 possibilities. And then the difference between 11 and 4 is 7, and the difference between 12 and 4 is 8. So there aren't any possibilities for 11 or 12 that involve a 4 being rolled on one of these dice. So these 5 options are our only options for the probability that one of the dice showed a 4. So that's a 5 in our numerator. And our fraction simplifies to 1 over 3, which is our answer. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like having these explanations of problems off of our contests in the breaks, then I encourage you to check out our YouTube channel at mathleague mathleague tutorials, I believe it is. Mathleague tutorials or mathleague videos. But if you look up mathleague.org on YouTube, you can find other tutorial videos made by me and my other interns. And we'd love to share them with you. So thank you for watching.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.